is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is hack number 2 because the first one was so good. Everything turned out so good. If you have not checked out that video, the link will be down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I upload videos weekly. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for today's first hack, you are going to need some English McMuffins. Cut them in half, lay them out, grab your favorite spaghetti sauce. If you have not guessed, we are making little pizzas. Add your shredded cheese. Today we're using mozzarella cheese. And then our favorite part is the topping. You can add whatever you want. Today we are using these little mini pepperonis. You can use pineapples, sausages, olives, tomato, bacon. Then I popped it in the oven under broil for 2 to 3 minutes. Seriously, it depends on your oven. Mine cooks very fast, and these were very yummy. So the next hack we are going to tackle is the Hot Cheeto Hot Pocket. You're going to need a tortilla, some shredded cheese, and your hot Cheetos. I did learn in this one that I should have broken up the chips a little bit and maybe not have used so much cheese, because folding this in like so was a little bit, I was kind of struggling. After you safely get it folded, you're going to put it in your frying pan with a little extra virgin olive oil. And make sure the open side is face down first. And then I'm going to flip them. This is such a beautiful golden brown. Guys, look at all this yumminess. If you are a hot Cheeto fan like my kids are, you will love this. The kids gave this 5 stars. They loved it. Definitely try this out and let me know. For this next hack, we are taking it back to breakfast. You will need eggs, cheese, and bacon, and a bagel, which I did not show here. I'm just going to scramble up my eggs. Then in your pan that already has extra virgin olive oil spray in it, you're going to put in your egg. I'm going to let it cook just a little bit. Then I'm going to add my cheese. Then I'm going to add my bacon. And all we're going to do is we are going to fold it in. Fold in the top, the bottom, and the sides. Then I'm going to flip it over just to cook it a little bit on the other side. I already got my bagels toasted, put on some cream cheese. And by the way, this bagel is the mini bagel because we didn't have the full-size bagel. So I had to work with what we had. And this is how it came out. Millie loved it. This was actually for Millie. She shared with her brother and he loved it too. 5 stars for this one. Let me know if you guys try this out. For our next hack, seriously you guys, how come I didn't think of this hack? All you're going to need is a tortilla, some peanut butter, Nutella, and a banana. Oh my goodness, do you guys know where I'm going with this? We are going to roll it up and have a little banana burrito. I think this is such an awesome snack. Great idea for kids. All my kids loved it. So easy. I'm just going to roll this up and then we are going to cut it up. I ended up making 3 more after this because that's how much they really liked it. The older kids loved it too. I was really surprised. guys, the last hack for today. I'm going to take these extra flaming hot Cheetos in a Ziploc bag and just smash them up. You are also going to need chicken, flour, and eggs. Seriously, you can do this hack with Fritos, Funyuns, Takis, I think all kinds of chips. I'm going to put the chicken in the flour, from the flour to the egg, and then the egg to the chips. Now you're going to see, bless you, Drake. You're going to see later that the difference between the chips. I actually liked it thick like this. I think it looks pretty cool. But my son wanted to try them very finely crushed, so he took over the second round. And the chips being finely crushed and not so crushed like the way I did it makes a difference at the end. So here he is doing his thing. So here's the conclusion to this hack. The chicken to the left was not as spicy, and then the chicken to the right was a little more spicy. But seriously, they were kind of the same. I could taste the spice a little more with the one that my son made, but overall the kids love this chicken strip hack. Gave it 5 stars, and I cannot wait to come out with a part 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did recreating these TikTok hacks. Please let me know down below if you decide to try any of them, or if you have tried them out, how did it work out for you? Subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. I upload videos weekly. I will see you guys in the next one.